Hello guys, my name is Chef Ken.
Chef Jewel.
Yes, this is Kids Can Cook Kitchen. You can find us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Yeah, and today we are making beef
Burger.
Yes. We have our ingredients over here. Our main ingredients is mince meat.
Soy sauce.
Yes, we have ketchup and mayonnaise,
Onions.
tomato, salt, cheese,
egg.
yes, and we have our breadcrumbs and we have our burger buns. It's very easy to make a burger. We have 250 grams of minced meat in 2 teaspoons of sauce, a half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of mixed spices. Jewel, you'll crack an egg, okay? Just wait. We'll add breadcrumbs. We add 4 teaspoons of breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs is just dried bread. Then you blend, okay? As we continue, I'll add chopped onion. Jewel, crack the egg for us. Yes, in. Good girl. Thank you. I'll chop onion just to give flavor. Onion is optional. You dice onions, half an onion if it's too small. In we go. We'll do mixing. Jewel, mix for us. We'll incorporate all ingredients together. The onions, breadcrumbs, egg. Mix until everything is incorporated. We'll add 2 teaspoons of oil. Mix till all ingredients. Can I help? All ingredients are incorporated together. Mix. Jewel, the onion is hurting your eyes. Yes, don't worry when you become a master chef. Onions. The eggs and the breadcrumbs are the binding agent for our beef burger pate. What you are making is a pate. Just like modeling clay or dough, mix together everything. After mixing with the spatula, at this point you oil your hands. Oil your hands. Jewel, oil your hands. Why do we oil our hands? That the meat cannot stick on our hands. We'll use our hands to mix, okay? Yes, mix. Yes, the meat will not stick on your hands if you oil your hands, okay? Yes, let me help you. Mix everything together. Like modeling clay. Yes. Now you can lift it up like a big meatball. We'll now make our beef burger patties. We'll use a lid to shape our meat, okay? You add oil to the lid. This is just a kifuniko lid for a bigger plastic container. What we do is you take meat, then you press to shape it. Yes, press. Good. Shape it. Then what you do is you turn it over to a plate. You see, we have our perfect shape. Jewel, next. Help us shape. You can still roll it into a big meatball and press it if you don't have the lid to shape it, but the shape won't be very perfect. But now using the lid, the shape becomes very perfect. You can still use your hands to make the shape. Let me see. Good job. And there we have our beef burger patties. Now the next process is to fry our patties. What you do is heat the pan. As we wait for our pan to be hot, we'll cut onions into rings. The tomatoes into rings. Okay, Jewel? Yes, always use the knife very carefully because a knife is a dangerous object. Okay? Good. Okay. Yes, make sure you cut through. Okay? Make sure you cut through. Yes, now that's enough. We set aside. We'll be back. When your pan is hot, add oil. Okay. We'll be cooking our burgers for 3 minutes on each side. Heat the pan till it's medium hot. Okay, now our pan is hot. We'll ensure that the pan is hot. Okay, Jewel. Flip it. Yes. You give it 2 to 3 minutes on hot oil. Meanwhile, what do we have here? We have mayonnaise and ketchup. For the sauce, burger sauce, when you mix mayonnaise and ketchup, we call it cocktail sauce. Jewel, cocktail sauce. Mix. You can add mustard, but for now we do ketchup and mayo. That is our burger sauce, and it's the name cocktail sauce. Cocktail sauce. Yeah. You mix the ratio equally. For the mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons, ketchup 2 teaspoons. The ratio should be equal. Okay, Jewel, maybe you can taste. Is it yummy? Yeah. We have our cheese. We have our burgers. Burger buns. Burger.
Bun.
2 minutes are over. Flip. Flip. Jewel. Flip. Make sure when flipping, you hold the handle of the pan. Okay? Always hold the handle of the pan when flipping. Okay? Flip. Good girl. After flipping, make sure you press it a little bit. For the cocktail sauce, we will spread it on our buns. We'll spread it on our buns. Jewel, do you want to help us do?
Yes.
There are 2 ways. You can toast the buns on the pan or just spread like that. On one, we will spread, and on the other one, after our burger patties are cooked, we will toast it just to brown it a little. Jewel, you can spread just the way you spread on bread. Yes, a lot. Just put one full. Spread round and round. The sauce makes the burger very yummy. You can decide to spread on both buns, the top and the bottom. Okay? Yes, now spread on the other one. Yes. 2 to 3 minutes. Our burgers will be almost ready. Good. Place it down. Yes, Jewel is generous with the sauce because she loves ketchup. Now we have cheese. How to melt cheese is 1 minute before we remove our burger patties from the pan. You place the cheese on top of the patty. On top of the patty, it will melt. As you can see, I'm regulating heat. If it's too hot, we don't want our burger patties to burn. As I melt my cheese, my buns on the pan, just to brown them, to give them color. Our cheese is melting. If you want your cheese to melt very fast, you can cover the pan, but it will just melt if you give it time. Yes, keep on checking. Yes, as you can see, our buns brown, nice color. Jewel, you can spread a little. Scoop. Spread. We already have one. The cheese is melted. Yes. This is optional. You can decide to add tomato, rings, onion, lettuce. Now you assemble your burger according to your likeness. Okay? Jewel, do you love lettuce?
Yes.
Yeah. You can assemble your burger as you wish. You can add lettuce, add cucumber, add onions, Yeah. You can add whatever you prefer. Yes, whatever vegetables you prefer, you can add. Okay? Yeah. Our cheese is melted. There we have our burger. One has tomatoes. Close or cover. This is the bottom, this is the top. Jewel. Yes, then press it a little bit. Yeah, and there we have our burger. We have our burger. Our burger is complete. We want to cut our burger into two. Yes, as you can see, our burger cooked, ready. Very nice, very nice. Jewel, do you love burgers?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice one. You want to give it a try?
Yeah.
Okay. It's good, it's yummy. Yeah, and that's how to make a beef burger. The same you can do with chicken burger, and it will be very yummy. It will be very yummy. Just simple way of making a burger. Yeah. Are you happy? Yes. Kids can cook very easy at home. Just buy the ingredients and you can make a burger on your own. You can bake a burger on
your own.
Okay. Bye bye. See you.